Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the RootLabs Pure Himalayan Shilajit Gummies. And the big question is, should we believe in the hype or is it just another supplement scam? After testing them ourselves, here's what we found. The gummies are easy to take and far more convenient than resin or capsules, which can be messy or hard to measure. We noticed a boost in overall energy levels after a week of consistent use, and the adaptogenic properties seem to help with mental clarity and focus during our daily tasks. The flavor isn't bad either compared to the earthy bitterness that raw shilajit usually has. Another pro is that the dosage feels consistent, which makes it easier to track our intake. On the downside, the effects aren't instant. It took us several days to feel noticeable differences. So, if you're looking for an immediate energy spike, you may be disappointed. Also, the gummies contain added ingredients for taste, which may not appeal to purists who want raw, unprocessed shilajit. And while we didn't experience harsh side effects, some people might deal with mild digestive discomfort depending on sensitivity. Overall, these gummies are a convenient way to enjoy shilajit without the hassle, but are not the magic pill. If you're patient and consistent, they can definitely be worth it. This has been How to Literally We Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.